Hi, we're here with Tusk Hunting and Trapping today. This is our snare setup. Basically, you want to loop this snare pretty decent, depending on how big of a hole. You won't want too big of a hole because you want the slack to kind of adjust pretty quickly, but you don't want too small of a hole because then you might not catch anything and they move it out of the way, or they can't fit in the place that you have it at. We got it held on by 2 wires. That way when they run in there, they run through this hole, it cinches up, and that way this won't back off. Once it cinches up, it kind of ties down pretty tight. I think you get the gist of it. But we used kind of a dead hog for some bait. We made it out of cattle panel, cut some holes down at the bottom of the cattle panel, and we have multiple holes around it, kind of give it different avenues of approach, maybe catch more than one. Yeah, we put the cattle panel in place and the top upper panel in place just because we're trying to keep the vultures and buzzards out, whatever you want to call them, but we're trying to keep them out. That way this pig turns kind of ripe and gets the smell going. And we placed the trap out in the middle of a quite open field to, you know, draw the wind direction in on it and kind of bring the coyotes in on it. But that is our setup here at Tusk Hunting and Trapping. We don't have anything in here today. Hopefully here in a couple of days we'll actually start getting something and snagging some before it becomes too big of a problem with these coyotes. Thank y'all for listening, and thank you for looking at this video. We appreciate all the subscribers and all the views.